guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a foundation review on the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid. So this has been out for years and years and years, and I've never actually tried it, so today I'm trying it. So it says foundation and hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid, and it's SPF 13, always good, and it's in the shade 03 True Ivory. So it says our air whipped liquid foundation is enhanced with hydrating serum for 12 hours of continuous moisture, doesn't clog pores and safe for sensitive skin, yada yada. So yes, I'm very excited to try this. Never tried it before, like I said. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all I'm going to prime my face using the spray. This is the Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. Some of you may know, if you watch my videos, that I don't actually use a primer when I'm testing out foundation reviews, because I like to see how they perform on their own. So I just use a little primer water spray. Okay, so to apply the foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe M439 brush. So yes, let's have a go. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit more. Okay, so I love it so far. First of all, colour match is pretty good. Like, it's not perfectly pale, but I would say it is quite pale. It is very pale for a foundation, but it's not like white. So I would say it's good. Unless it oxidizes, then I would say it's good. So yeah, I'm really impressed. I like the look of it. The finish is nice. It is a satin finish, so it's not matte, but I like it because obviously I can set it with powder and matte setting sprays and things like that. So I'm not worried about that. I actually really like the finish on my skin. It gives me a bit of hydration as well. I like the coverage. I would probably say medium coverage. I wouldn't say full, I wouldn't say light, I'd say medium. I like the way it looks on my skin. It does actually look like my skin as well. So, and I'm impressed with the colour. So far so good. I actually really like it. And I think this was only like £8 or £8.99. Something really cheap like that. So yeah, this is a thumbs up so far, I think. I like it. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face makeup off camera, and then I will come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back, and I actually really love this foundation. I love the way it looks on my skin now as well, even with a full face of makeup. It is a little bit darker than my super pale neck, but it is paler than a lot of other foundations that I've tried recently, and just a lot paler in general than a lot of other foundations. So that's a big bonus. I think this is the palest shade that they did. This is the palest one I could find in the shop anyway. True Ivory it's called. So I love the coverage, I love the way it looks, I love the finish, the colour. So really, so far it's a big thumbs up. So I am hoping that it lasts really well throughout the day, because this could be one of my new favourite foundations. I really like it. So what I'm going to do, like normal with my foundation reviews, I'm going to check back in with you guys in 2 hours, then 6 hours, then 8 hours since I first put the foundation on. So I will update you throughout the day to see how it's looking, to see how I'm feeling with it, and yeah, just to give you updates throughout the day. So yes, I will see you in 2 hours. Okay, we are 2 hours in since I first put on the foundation, and just looked in the mirror and there's absolutely no difference yet. Still looks flawless. I'm still loving the way it's looking on my face at the moment. It has only been 2 hours, so I'm not going to notice much change really. So the change will probably come in the next few hours. So by the next check-in I might notice something different, but at the moment it still looks fresh, like as if I just applied it. So yeah, so far so good. So I will see you again now in another 4 hours, which will be 6 hours since I first put it on. So yeah, so far so good. See you then. Okay, so it's been 4 hours since I last filmed, and now 6 hours since I first put on the foundation. And I've looked in the mirror, and honestly, the only change that I can see is that I've become slightly glowy, slightly more dewy and shiny. That's literally the only change. Normally by now, it would have come away around my nose and maybe gone slightly cakey around my T-zone area. But nothing, literally nothing. It's just a little bit shiny. That's all the difference is. So that's really good. Like, that's a huge thing for me, because every single foundation that I've used has gone cakey and just worn away around my nose, but this one hasn't yet, so that's really, really good for me. Quite rare actually, so this might be one of my new favourite foundations. We shall see. So yeah, I'm going to leave it on for another few hours and see how it's looking then, so I'll check back then. Hey guys, so it's been 8 hours now since I first put on the foundation, and I just looked in the mirror and it's still looking pretty much the same. The only difference is here, I think I must have scratched my nose or something and some of the foundation has come off, but other than that it looks the same than when I last checked in. So the only difference is that my face has become a little bit more shiny, which is understandable because it's not a matte foundation, but that's fine because none of this foundation has worn away at all. And normally in my T-zone, especially on my nose, usually foundations wear away or become cakey at this point in the day, but that hasn't happened at all with this foundation, and I'm really shocked because this foundation's been out a little while now and I haven't thought to try it until now, and I really like it. It's probably going to be one of my new favourite foundations, so that's a thumbs up from me. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my review of the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And let me know in the comments if you've tried this foundation before. What did you think of it? So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!